Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. All the links mentioned in this Google Fiber review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the service. Google Fiber Internet Provider Review, a deep dive into performance and value. In this comprehensive look at Google Fiber, we'll dissect its features, assess its performance, and determine who it's best suited for. Google Fiber is a premium internet service provider renowned for its blistering speeds and rock-solid reliability. It's designed for users who demand top-tier online performance and are willing to invest in it. The two primary plans offered are 1 gig, 1 gigabit per second, and 2 gig, 2 gigabits per second. These impressive speeds make Google Fiber an excellent choice for gamers, streamers, remote workers, and large households with numerous devices connected simultaneously. A core advantage of Google Fiber lies in its fiber optic technology. This infrastructure guarantees symmetrical upload and download speeds, which is crucial for activities like uploading large files, engaging in video conferences, and live streaming. The service is widely praised for maintaining consistent speeds, even during peak usage times, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted online experience. Google Fiber distinguishes itself with its transparent and straightforward pricing structure. There are no data caps, hidden fees, or restrictive long-term contracts, providing users with flexibility and peace of mind. While the monthly cost might appear higher than some competitors, the true value lies in the unparalleled performance and reliability it delivers. Furthermore, Google Fiber includes top-of-the-line equipment, such as a Wi-Fi 6 router, guaranteeing excellent in-home connectivity. Installation is handled professionally and efficiently, with technicians optimizing the setup for your specific home environment. The provider also offers a user-friendly interface through its mobile app, simplifying network management, speed testing, and troubleshooting. However, the most significant limitation of Google Fiber is its limited availability. Currently, the service is only accessible in select cities across the United States, so it might not be a viable option for everyone. If you are fortunate enough to reside in a covered area, it's undoubtedly one of the best choices available for ultra-fast internet access. In conclusion, Google Fiber is an exceptional internet provider for users who prioritize speed, reliability, and transparent pricing. Whether you're a dedicated gamer, a professional working remotely, or part of a connected household, Google Fiber delivers exceptional performance. Check the links in the description below to see if Google Fiber is available in your area and to find the plan that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions about Google Fiber in the comments below.